y'all, and welcome back to my channel, Carisha RN. Alright y'all, so my very first video is going to be about this thing called the Pearson Vue Trick. This is something that I learned about right after I took my NCLEX. It helped alleviate a lot of my anxiety after taking the test. So Pearson Vue is the company that administers the NCLEX. And the Pearson Vue Trick pretty much takes advantage of the billing system on Pearson Vue. And what you have to do is go through like you're about to re-register. This is after you take the NCLEX. You go through like you're going to re-register to retake the NCLEX again, follow all the steps, and you put in your credit card information, but you change the expiration date. Because if you do not, and if you did not pass the NCLEX, they will bill you. So if you are not ready to pay $200, do not put in the correct expiration date. So once you do this and hit submit, it will either allow you to register to take the exam again, or it will give you what they call the good pop-up. I'll show you a step-by-step video of this as well. But the Pearson Vue Trick I learned about on YouTube, and just know it is not a 100% accurate thing. Like, it cannot tell you with 100% accuracy if you passed or failed the NCLEX. Through my research, I saw that there were several people who had false negatives, and I saw a few stories, like 2 stories out of hundreds of a false positive, but I did see some false negatives. I personally, it worked for me. It was accurate in predicting if I passed the NCLEX. I did pass. But, and for my friends as well, it was accurate. I didn't hear personally of anyone who got a false positive. But the Pearson Vue Trick helped alleviate a lot of my anxiety. So coming out of taking the NCLEX, I had a lot of feelings going on. I didn't know if I should laugh, if I should cheer, if I should cry. Okay, I did cry a little bit. That's because I didn't know how I did. I hit 75 questions, it shut off, and I was just like, now what do I do? I didn't know if I was answering anything right. I wasn't sure if the questions were getting harder or easier. I didn't know. I started panicking. I didn't feel like waiting 6 weeks to find out if I passed or not. So I took the test on September 11th, and I did the Pearson Vue Trick right around when I got home. So the first step in the Pearson Vue Trick is wait for the email that they send you after the NCLEX. My NCLEX started at 8 a.m. and this email was sent to me at 9:30. And it's from NCSBN, and it says NCLEX examination information as the subject line. And it's like, now that you've completed the NCLEX exam, we understand you may still have some questions. This is what it looks like right over there. So you cannot do the Pearson Vue Trick until you get this email. So make sure you wait until you get the email. If you try to do it before, you won't get an accurate answer. So wait until you get that email. So then once you go onto the website, I'm watching the video here on my computer, because I did like on my phone, I did the little screen recording thing to make sure that I got all the steps for you guys. So first you're going to see a video of my home screen, my cute dog Rhett. You go to the website and I already signed in, and you see the start the registration process, and click that. You're seeking licensure registration in the United States, NCLEX RN or PN. And you'll see where it says it costs $200. Hit next. Answer all those additional questions. Have you ever taken it before? So yes. Same exam, yes. I said no for a different NCLEX because I've never taken it. And fill out your school, when you graduated, all that stuff. After you get that, do that, you'll see this next screen, my order. You hit next, and that'll take you to the payment. And that is where you put in your payment information. But please, 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 please change the expiration date on your card. Do not put in the correct expiration date. And so then the next screen is your checkout, step 2 of 3, where you submit your order. You'll see these two pop-ups up top, and then just hit submit order after that, and then you'll get the pop-up. And the good pop-up says, our records indicate that you have recently scheduled this exam. Another registration cannot be made at this time. So that is the good pop-up. If it takes you to the next screen and it says something like that the payment failed or they couldn't process the payment, that's what they consider the bad pop-up. So I did this. I took the NCLEX September 11th of 2019. I did this after 9:30, after I got the email, and I did it all day, all night. I read another article where the most accurate time to do the Pearson Vue Trick is after the 24-hour period. I did it after the 24 hours, and it was still giving me the good pop-up. Some people say that their pop-up changed after that 24-hour time period, so that is a possibility. So I just did it all night. I was still stressed out. I honestly haven't even received my official NCLEX results yet, but I do know I passed. I didn't do the quick results on NCLEX. They cost $8. I didn't feel like spending $8 because I already knew I passed. How did I know? Because on our licensing website for the state of Georgia, my license popped up. So I was able to, I kind of assumed that since I was given a license, I knew that I passed. So that's how I knew I was an RN officially. So this Pearson Vue Trick did help a lot with my anxiety after the exam, because trust me when I say I didn't know if I passed, if I failed. I felt like I didn't even know the content that was on my NCLEX, to be honest. But hey, at the end of the day, I passed. I'll make another video in the future if you guys want about how I prepared for the NCLEX and how I passed it in 75 questions. A lot of it also had to do with overcoming a lot of my test anxiety, because I developed really bad test anxiety in nursing school, and I had to overcome that to be able to focus on my NCLEX the day of, to give it my best effort in hopes of passing it on my first try, which I did. So hopefully this video of the step-by-step guide on the Pearson Vue Trick is helpful. At the end, I will also post just the screen grabs a little closer up so you guys can be able to see them on how to go through this process and get the results. So hopefully you guys pass. Leave a comment below on what your pop-up says, if you passed, and any other content that you guys would want to see. I'm really excited about starting this channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the content I post. I will be trying to make new posts every Wednesday. So this week I won't post a video on Wednesday, but hopefully next week I will be able to post a video on Wednesday. So that's going to be the day that I put out all of my new content. And if you guys have any questions about this trick, please be sure to put them in the comments below, and I'll try to get to as many questions as I possibly can. And good luck on taking your NCLEX, and I hope you guys pass on your first try. And if you don't, it is okay, so don't feel bad. So good luck, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, y'all, this is Carisha. I'm back. So I forgot to mention the pop-up that you get if your results are on hold. That's not good nor bad. That just means that they're investigating your results. So the Pearson Vue Trick will not work for you if your results are on hold. So that's just another pop-up that you can get. Please feel free to share any pop-ups that you guys might get in the comments below. And I'll also post a link to an article and forum that I found very helpful while researching the Pearson Vue Trick myself. That way you guys can check it out as well. and next will be a bigger picture of the screen recording that I made, showing you the step-by-step process to do the Pearson Vue Trick. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the subscribe button and share this with your friends.